Alrighty, Plymouth Duster fans, this car is back up and running with fresh motor mounts on it. 72 Duster, EV2, Hemi orange from the factory. Texas car, all original body panel, no rust. Beautiful car, shark's tooth grille. Originated in Texas, went to Oklahoma, then to Alabama. I bought it from Alabama, and I'd already had the interior, but I put dash appliques on there, the wood grain, so it's got the fresh wood grain, and it's all the chrome is still on there. It's beautiful. This car is currently for sale on Hemmings Make Offer. Right now it's sitting at an offer of $32, and just a little bit more and this car will go away. So you can be an owner of this car. In the ad is an in-depth video, up, down, top, side to side, everything you'd ever want to see. The trunk has been refinished, the engine bay was refinished, wheels were put on with bright trim rings, the correct ones. All the bright bits are good. Just a nice, solid Texas car. It's a base Duster, so it has the column shift automatic. That's one downside. Everybody wants a 4-speed, but then again, it's not 40 or 45 grand. If you were watching Meekum auctions, there were some Dusters. One went for $145,000, and there were a couple others, a black one and a pink one, which both went for $95,000. This car can be had for just under $35. So take a look at it. You're not going to win a concourse with it, but it is very stock and very correct. As you can see, it's a 340 72. It's an EV2 orange car, and it runs out beautifully. It's got a 73 block in it, and it's a 340. You can tell because only the 340 will woof when you hit it. Woof! There you have it, folks. Beautiful 72 Duster, Hemi orange from the factory. Everything is stock and correct on the fender tag. Hood blackout option was added, but a lot of people like that with that wedge decal. It sure looks good, and I'll tell you what, it gets the eyes when you're out driving it around. So there you have it. It's on Hemmings Make Offer ad. You'll see it, 72 Duster. It's sitting at 32. If you just bump it up a little bit, the car can be yours. Thank you.